Hi, my name is Khushi Badra. I'm from the Center of Interior Environment and Design and I'm in my second year. And the course mainly focuses on different types of building ways as to how different methodologies can be used to make interior spaces with the changing environment and the changing ideologies that we have in this nation. We are building sustainable materials and sustainable houses in the area, and the course offers you a range of different activities from pottery to printmaking to typology to adaptive reuse, which we've learned recently when we went to the trip to Sri Lanka, where we were learning about sustainable living and how different vernacular houses have been made and how nature can be brought into the house and how interiors and exteriors are defined in the landscape of different places. And also how we've been participating in different competitions, and also we had this Pushpanju festival where we made an installation by CID, and also we've been learning the art of making different materials. So we are learning the way how we are learning is we make materials and we combine them with nature. We've made plants grow from concrete and cement and POPs, and we've merged epoxy resins with glass and different materials that have different strengths and how they perform into interior spaces. We've also tried to bring in a lot of different speakers from all over the world. So we've had open studios every week. So we have speakers from different countries. Like we've had the dean of a Singapore university come here to teach us the skill of making good portfolios, and we've had different artists from across the world who've had their own robotics and methods that they've tried to bring in. So we've had a certain personality who'd come over to teach us the art of robotics and how they were building buildings out of clay and out of 3D printing. And also the college has a lot of variety for how it provides resources to its students. The base of resources is huge. So we have 3D printers, we have laser printing that goes on inside the college. We have huge printers for sheets as big as A0 or bigger than that. So that is what the course provides you. And in terms of the curriculum, it is way different than how we have it in the government based colleges in the society these days. So it's not like, it's more like a student and a mentor thing, not like a teacher thing. So the teachers and our mentors mainly, they try to bring out the best in us as to how a student is and as to how they are performing, rather than it being an order in a certain way. It's our open-minded freedom to do whatever we feel like and to bring the best out in the projects that we've been given in. So the course is very friendly, the teachers are friendly, the environment in the building is so good that we stay back even after hours are done, and we enjoy staying here and working. And I think that's the best thing that this course has to offer, and it's way different from other things in the society that we have. And that is why I think people who are actually aiming to come here, they should work hard, they should be ready to work hard to get their portfolios to the best and to learn new things and to bring their abilities to the best. Yeah, thank you.